Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about my assignment, measurement and instrument system. My name is AIMAN Danial bin SULONG. My metric number is B0822101159.
My name is Aimi Faqihah binti ROHAIZAD. My matric number B0822151.
And my name is BALQIS binti SHAHRIZAIDI and my matric number is B082210481.
This is the component that we use to measure the circuit. Firstly, we use a digital multimeter, DC power supplies, and LCR meter. And then resistance box, inductance decade, and decade capacitance.
This is how to measure the value of resistor. Red probe to the voltage ohm part and then black probe to COM. And set the range of multimeter to ohm range. Set the decade resistor to 10 ohm. And then put the red probe to the top of the terminal decade resistor and the black probe to the other terminal of the decade resistor. And then display show 10.7 ohm.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is ALIAH BALQIS binti SHAHRIZAIDI and my number metric is B082210481. So today I would like to show you how to measure capacitor using multimeter. First, we have to connect the multimeter wire to COM and read wire to frequency, volt and ohm, and set the multimeter to capacitance. Then we have to set the decade capacitor to 10 nanofarad. Next, we connect the multimeter wire to positive and negative capacitance. Then finally, the multimeter will show the value of the capacitance. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aimi Faqihah binti ROHAIZAD. My metric number B0822151. Today, I want to show you how to measure the inductor using the LCR multimeter. Firstly, I take a probe and connect to positive and negative inductance. And then I connect the positive and negative at LCR meter. And then turn on the LCR meter, then set the 100 milli, then I get the value 103.32. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am AKHMADSHA bin JULTIYU, and in this part I will be measuring the current flow and voltage in each resistance box, decade inductance and decade capacitance of CM5-N by using a digital multimeter. For the first part of the video, I will be measuring current flow in the resistance box. Firstly, the digital multimeter is set up in option by turning the dial to measure the current into current mode, and after that the probe is connected in series with the circuit. Then the DC power supply of 10 volt is turned on. After the circuit is completely connected, this step is vital to avoid any risk of getting shocked. After waiting for some time, the measurement is taken. This is to ensure that to get a stable measurement value. The next step is to measure the voltage of each component. To measure the voltage, before that, the dial on the multimeter is turned into voltage mode to measure the voltage, and the probe connection of multimeter is changed to a correct connection. The multimeter is then connected in parallel to each component, and then we waited for some time for the reading to stabilize to get the proper value. Finally, the reading value is recorded. Currently measured is decade capacitance, and the value of voltage drop shown is 10.20 volt. The next component is resistance box, and to measure the voltage drop across the resistance box has the same procedure before, which is the probe of the multimeter is connected in parallel with the component. The probe must be ensured tight to get the most stable reading. After a second, the reading value shown is 0 volt. The next component is naked inductance. The previous step is repeated to get the voltage drop value of naked inductance. After ensuring a tight connection of the probe, we waited for the value to stabilize. The value shown is 0 volt. After that, the value is recorded.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aimi Faqihah binti ROHAIZAD. Today I want to presenting how simulation circuit using a multi-sim. Firstly, we have a DC power supply, resistant, capacitance and inductance.
In conclusion, we can see the difference between actual circuit measurement using multimeter and simulation. In simulation circuit, we manage to measure the component which resistance, capacitance, inductance, voltage, and current. We able show the actual value, then we set on the component. We use DC power supply for power of voltage and current in actual circuit. The current and voltage value show slightly different value from the value that we set and show over on DC power supply due to small unit value. That's all from me. Thank you.